Hello, lovely people. Today is all about flaky vegetable stir fry with fried yam. Let's go with the process. Here we are, our food is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil, and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now. Available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.